Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Live Trading the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. My name is Bobby. I'm your personal trader here on Robinhood, and today is Friday the 13th, 2018. Hope you've enjoyed our previous uploads from this afternoon and this morning. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, leave a like and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. That helps us out. Also, if you could subscribe, you'd really be supporting the channel right now. See you in just a few moments, guys. Let's do this. Alright, welcome back everyone. Let's get straight to work here. We're going to take a look at how we're doing. We're going to measure up here. I think we're going to be down 2 points for the week. So you guys have been trading right along here. You've kind of seen that play out, which I think is a really cool part about doing these live trades here on Bob Squared Finance. Now, we've got a little bit of liquidity to work with here. Looks like we're going to have just over $30. I would really like to get 2 shares of ELF here. Once again, we're talking about it's Friday the 13th. It's time to break some of those rules. It's time to get a little bit crazy. You know, I don't think I'm going to be able to make it happen. The ELF would have to drop down to about 15 and change, and it's just it's not going to do it for me. It'd have to drop to the 15.26 range, and you know, there's no way it's going to drop that low. So I'm going to end up just buying one. We're going to stick to that Fibonacci ratio. So we're going to stay disciplined here. There's nothing wrong with that. Go ahead and put that limit buy in. You guys may notice here on the channel that I will only ever use a limit buy. If you're using anything other than a limit buy, I mean, unless you're trading options, you may want to consider switching over. If you're doing a market buy, it's really easy to make really grave errors here. So that's just been my my experience thus far. We will get that ELF share on board, and that is really exciting. Let's move that down into place here. Welcome to the fold, ELF. Welcome back. We have been in and out of ELF Cosmetics for quite a while. These guys are the bargain bin cosmetic company. However, regardless of your income status, most women do tend to have ELF as a staple in their makeup collection, based on the very small sample size I have of my wife. So we shall see what happens there. That stock, in my experience, has been trading in sort of a cycle. I'd like to, hold that over the weekend, maybe see what it does on Monday and the very beginning of the week, and see if we can't make a quick profit on that. I would really like to take a look at Snap here after we have a look at my watch list. This watch list is not necessarily up to date and in no particular order, but do feel free to take a look at that. These are sort of what's left after I purged them the other day. Gotta look at Snap here. Man, that chart looks pretty decent for the month. I really like to bring another share on board. I don't see any reason not to have 11 shares of Snap and carry that thing over the weekend. I'm always long Snap. I feel like every time it drops down below my basis, I always get a bargain. It is not below that basis today. So it appears that we're going to have to break one of our rules here. It's Friday the 13th. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Kind of the theme to this show is going to be, the rules are there to systematize what you're doing and to make sure that you stay profitable. The moment that the rules and the strategies that you have in place are causing you to not be able to maximize your profits, well, that's what exceptions to rules are for. So Snap is neither below our basis, nor are we able to buy that here with a Fibonacci ratio, which you can check back in some of our previous videos to find out a little bit more about if you're curious and haven't heard of that before. So look, I'm going to do it. I'm going to see if we can't get this on board. We've got a minute before the bell here. Hopefully I'm not too late. Let's bring this one share of Snap on board for the weekend, and we're going to babysit that, and hopefully it'll make us a little bit of money. We do have that limit buy-in at 1334. Hopefully that went through. We've got, oh my gosh, there's the bell. There is the bell. I don't think it went through. I'm afraid we may have missed the mark there. Possibly went with just a little too low. That is quite unfortunate. We will stay within the confines of the rules here, guys, after all. Friday the 13th, we're going to have a little bit of liquidity moving into Monday morning. Look for us to clear some of our profits at the top end there. We're up in some of our core holdings. I think it might be time either Monday or Tuesday to clear off some profits and make sure that we don't get too greedy there. Let's have a live look here at our monthly and 3-month and yearly chart, and then we'll go to the indices, guys. This is Bobby signing off. It's been a pleasure trading with you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh man, guys, what a day trading with you. It's been such a pleasure. Thank you so much for being along for the ride. Look forward to seeing you on Monday. Do stay posted to the channel over the weekend, as we might have a little bit of bonus content coming out. Let me know what you think about Elf Cosmetics down in the comment below, and any of the other stocks that are in the portfolio. Do look forward to hearing from you. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and until next time, I hope you have a profitable weekend. See you guys later. Thank you so much.